Hello, welcome to Mad River Outdoors. This is our first video, and we're going to start documenting the process that we have. We bought about 4.5 acres at a tax auction. We're going in and we're going to start checking it out, seeing what kind of quality environment we have and what's going on. I apologize about the bad camera quality. I'm still getting used to this thing. It's got a pond, a house, garage, or barn, and 1/3 outbuilding that they used for chickens. You can walk closer, you know. Walk in, look around. There's a nice hole for the ceiling. Metal roof. Looks like it's 12 feet long, 4 feet wide. It's just great. There's a nice pry bar. Oh, lots of chicken poop, lots of trash and garbage. I don't think I want to go in there. Definitely needs some work. That was a frog. Well, the irony is he didn't actually say. Yeah. They use door hinges on the fridge.
I know, I remember.
It's ridiculous.
It's like a slap shot.
Open some windows. I feel like today was a pretty successful day. We got the garage cleaned out. We didn't really do anything in the house, but the garage looks much better. We'll go in and check it out. floors. All junk. We've had a long day of fun. Lawn mowed. Let's see. Everything's cleared out. We got the boat pulled out. There's an old boat in the pond. So we used the truck. We yanked that out. We found an old paddle boat. There's the boat. Look how rusted it is. It says SS Kristen. Looks like it used to have an old outboard motor on it. This is what the pond looks like. I think it's interesting to get away from the city and come up and enjoy this. That's my first video. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. This is Mad River Outdoors. Thanks.